Welcome to Informational Health, Body, and Relationship. Kimchi is great for young adults through seniors. Living a healthy life is a better life. This video is for informational purposes only. Kimchi. Fermented kimchi is a powerhouse for your gut health. What is kimchi? A traditional Korean dish made by fermenting vegetables, most commonly Napa cabbage, with seasonings such as garlic, ginger, and chili pepper. Cultural background? Originated as a way to preserve vegetables during harsh winters and is now a staple in Korean cuisine and globally celebrated as a superfood. Headlining ingredients: cabbage and fermentation. Cabbage varieties, usually Napa cabbage, beichu, though other vegetables like radish or cucumber can be used. What is the fermentation process? Cabbage is salted to remove moisture and inhibit harmful bacteria. Naturally occurring lactobacillus bacteria transform sugars into lactic acid. Lactic acid acts as a natural preservative and develops kimchi's distinctive sour and tangy taste. The fantastic benefits of kimchi are gut health and digestion, rich in probiotics, especially Lactobacillus kimchii, that support healthy gut flora and aid digestion. Fermentation increases nutrient bioavailability and improves gut microbiome diversity. Immune support. A strong gut microbiome strengthens immune response. Garlic and ginger in kimchi also provide antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Heart and metabolic health. Can help lower cholesterol and reduce inflammation, which supports cardiovascular health. Low in calories and high in fiber contributes to balanced metabolism. Antioxidants and anti-aging effects. Ingredients like chili pepper and cabbage contain antioxidants such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, protect cells from oxidative stress, and may reduce disease risk. Here is a great homemade kimchi recipe. Ingredients: 1 medium Napa cabbage, about 2 pounds, 1 kilogram. 1/4 cup sea salt, coarse. 4 to 5 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, grated. 2 to 3 tablespoons Korean red chili flakes, gochujang, adjust to taste. 2 green onions, chopped. 2 tablespoons fish sauce, optional, use soy sauce for vegan version. 1 teaspoon sugar, helps fermentation. Instructions: prepare the cabbage. Cut the cabbage into halves or quarters and soak in salted water for 2 to 3 hours, turning occasionally. Rinse thoroughly and drain. Make the spice paste. Mix garlic, ginger, chili flakes, sugar, and fish sauce in a bowl to form a paste. Mix the vegetables. Add chopped green onions. Gently mix the spice paste into the drained cabbage until evenly coated. Pack and ferment. Pack tightly into a clean glass jar, pressing down to remove air bubbles. Leave 1 inch of space at the top for gases. Cover loosely and let ferment at room temperature for 1 to 3 days, depending on temperature and desired tanginess. Store. Once it smells tangy and tastes slightly sour, move to the refrigerator to slow fermentation. It will continue to develop in flavor over weeks. Conclusion: kimchi is more than a flavorful side dish. It's a beneficial food that promotes digestive balance, strengthens immunity, and supports long-term wellness. Regular consumption can be a delicious way to nurture both body and gut. Please like and subscribe to Informational Health, Body, and Relationship today.